All right. Hey, psoriasis is a devastating chronic skin disease that many Americans suffer from. I talked with Dr. Fiona Fisherman about how Can-Fite Biopharma is making a breakthrough in helping people with this disease. Dr. Fishman, will you explain a little bit what Can-Fite Biopharma is?
I don't know what I said.
Yes, sure. Can-Fite Biopharma is an Israeli-based biopharmaceutical company based on a very interesting and unique platform technology. We are developing small molecule drugs for the treatment of liver diseases, cancer, and inflammatory indications. And our lead indication is psoriasis, where we have just recently concluded our first phase 3 clinical study, which was a global study.
Yeah, and it's very interesting that you are pretty much have this unique drug that is pretty much putting the pinpoint on the skin diseases, right?
Correct. And we are treating, as I mentioned, psoriasis specifically, which is a devastating skin disease. Yes, you are right.
All right, let's talk about the clinical, of course, tests that you were doing here. I understand it's a 16 weeks of treatment that you were doing?
Yes. In the frame of the study, we treated the patients for 32 weeks. In fact, the drug is designed to treat the patients for a very long time. Psoriasis is a chronic disease. And since our drug is very safe based on the unique platform technology, it targets only the diseased, the pathological cells in the body, but not the body normal cells. So the drug is very safe and can be given for patients to treat a chronic disease. Psoriasis does not shorten the life expectancy of the patients. So it's a chronic disease, and the patients need to take a drug for all their lifetime.
Wow, this is so incredible that you found this way to help people. Let's talk about phase 3 and, of course, the progressive response over time for this, of course, drug.
When you take a drug through clinical studies, it is dictated, it is determined by the regulatory authorities how long you are going to treat. In order to register a drug with the regulatory authorities, it's the FDA in the United States and the EMA in Europe, you need to treat during the pivotal study for 52 weeks. If for 52 weeks the drug is efficacious, then you can register the drugs vis-a-vis the regulatory authorities.
Wow, it's amazing. And let's do a little bit about, of course, the safety profile of this, because a lot of people wonder, when you are having drugs for cancer, how it is definitely safe for everyone to be taking. And you just said right there, the research that goes into this is so important.
So our drug is taken orally twice daily, so it's very convenient for the patients to take it. Not only that, and as I already mentioned, the drug is very safe. It means that the safety profile of adverse events in the clinical study that we have already concluded just overlapped that of patients who were treated with placebo. So our drug is very safe, and patients will be able to take it as a chronic treatment for a very long period of time.
Wow, doctor, this is so incredible for those who are suffering from this type of skin disease. We know that is. Okay, so now where can people find information about this, and of course for the studies and everything you've been doing?
So of course on the website of the company, we have all our PRs and lots of information which can supply the patients what is the technology behind the drug, this orally bioavailable small molecule drug, and can explain them where we are going, how long will it take us to bring the drug into the clinic, and what were the data in the former clinical studies that we have already conducted.
Doctor, I appreciate you coming in and talking to this, especially being so late there in Tel Aviv. I think it's late night there for you. So we thank you for coming in.
Thank you very much. You are welcome. Thank you.